Hey, welcome back to KC Grandpa Tech, where this grandpa talks about tech solutions, tech problems, and tech reviews. Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about a problem that I've been working on, uh, video connections. I, how many of you have a video switcher like this? And they're great, but they have limitations. And I'm going to talk about solving one problem that you probably already are trying to solve. Number one, the Mini Pro has only one USB output, and if you want to connect a second monitor to it, can't do it. Second thing is, if you want to take some of these wonderful 4K USB devices, cameras, and plug them into it, you can't because there's no input for USB. Well, today on today's show, I'm going to solve that problem for you. I'm going to show you how to do it. So stay tuned. Smash us a like. If you like this content, please subscribe. Let's get to it right now. So first, have you ever had the situation where on your switcher you don't want a second monitor? You want to be able to use something, but you can't do it. Well, by using this device, and there's two companies that I'm going to talk about, Tayo and Osbot, both have made this a USB to HDMI converter. And it will support 4K USB-C devices, and it will connect them to your monitor, the switcher, or more. What I'm talking about here. The Osbot, you can connect the Osbot, of course, webcam, or other webcams to it. And if it happens to have a remote control, you can use the second USB socket to connect it to it too. Now you could go out directly to the monitor, or you could connect it to your switcher. That's great because now you're no longer limited to only HDMI devices into your switcher or US or the HDMI out on your switcher. Of course, one application, of course, is to connect to the USB-C on your switcher and go out directly to a monitor. That's a wonderful thing too. The way it works is very simple. You connect your USB device to it, and it has a USB-C input, USB-A, and a power supply. Connector into it. So what that means is that you'll be able to take your Osbot or various webcams and plug it directly into it. Then you connect the USB output directly to a monitor or your switcher. Now, one of the other thing, of course, is you can reverse it so that you're now outputting from the switcher to from the USB-C output of the switcher directly to the Osbot or Tayo converter and out to a monitor. That makes more possible applications than you could possibly think of. So what's beautiful about these two devices is that it allows you to connect most USB devices that are outputting H.2 6.4 or above, and a few other decoding formats. So you'll be able to connect a USB webcam, 4Cam, and there's a lot of ones that you may want to connect to. You'll be able to connect your iPhone to it. You'll be able to connect your phone to it. You'll be able to connect a mini monitor to it and output to it. These are just a few. And once you've connected these USB cameras or devices, you'll be able to connect them directly either to a monitor or to a switcher. Just the amount of solutions that this solves is immense. And one thing I'm going to be doing another video on is that not only does this device and another device I'm going to be talking about allow you to connect directly to the switcher, not only that, but you'll be able to now take a Mevo Start and connect it directly to a switcher, something we've been unable to do for some time. Anyway, I hope this information has been great for you. Don't forget to smash me a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you like material like this. I'm going to be coming up with another few videos on such subjects like this. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll be back with more videos, more information in the future.